Welcome to a new updated chart analysis video. This time it will be 4-minute setup. In the previous video, we explained a short time frame chart setup and covered it in detail, but some viewers did not understand it clearly. So, this time, we will explain the strategy at a beginner level. The setup itself is quite advanced, but we will explain it in a beginner-friendly way. So, let's get started. For a 4-minute observation chart, we need to use a 1-minute candle time frame and add 2 moving averages. Now, because we are using a longer observation window, we are going to adjust the settings. So, please look carefully at these settings. Here are the settings and style for the first moving average. Now, here are the settings and colors for the second moving average. Alright, let's see how this setup moves on the chart. Here, both moving averages have crossed properly in green candle, and because of this, a 4-minute upward setup is made. In the same way, here also, both moving averages crossed around a green candle. Because of this, we can mark a potential 4-minute upward setup. This is the first confirmation. So that you don't get confused, I'll explain it step by step. For that, watch this video carefully until the end, because then the full concept will become easier to understand. Here, according to my approach, I take the confirmation and mark a potential 4-minute upward setup. The next confirmation is the stochastic oscillator, which appears to be moving upward from the oversold area. So, it may support an upward market reading, but this indicator is only used for extra confirmation. It is not always necessary. So now you can see that this 4-minute expiry time is good and works properly with this chart condition. Now, let's understand in the next example how we take confirmation in a clearer way. If you don't understand any concept, you can ask us on Telegram. We also do extra educational chart analysis there. The link is in the description, or you can also ask us in the comments. We'll try to reply there as well. Now, please watch carefully. We'll try to explain it in an even easier way so you can understand how to read this chart setup step by step. Here, you can see that both moving averages have crossed around a red candle, so this indicates a possible downward confirmation. Now, for this example, here can be our possible entry reference area, and here can be your possible exit area. And if you look at the second confirmation, which is the stochastic oscillator, it is also moving down from the overbought area, meaning from the upper zone toward the lower side. This is a small confirmation. If you look further, here also another setup appears to form. The supporting upwards. After that, there is no clear crossover. And then further ahead, both moving averages cross properly on a green candle, so an upward setup appears to form. But we are still waiting. Because after the crossover, this candle is still trying to move upward. So, we'll wait for a little while and observe whether there are any downward fluctuations or signs of rejection. Alright, now the chart condition looks clearer. So, let's observe how this movement develops. Now, some people may see a crossover here and think that there is a downward confirmation. But if you look carefully, you can understand that even after the crossover, this candle is still not moving downward. That means, after the crossover happens on this candle, we need to wait a little and observe the next candle to see whether it moves in the same direction, where our confirmation is forming or not. After that, you can mark the setup more clearly. Let's analyze one more chart so that you don't face difficulty understanding different chart conditions. Now, in this chart, there was a good crossover here, and the setup appeared to form properly. But this time, we can see that the crossover is about to happen. So we need to wait until it crosses completely. After some time, it moves downward without a proper crossover. So we are still waiting for a clearer confirmation. And if we still treat it as a setup, without proper confirmation, then the market result can look something like this. That's why we suggest focusing more on learning and waiting patiently so that a clearer setup can form. After that, with proper practice, you can understand this approach in a better way. I hope this video was easy for you to understand. I hope this video was easy for you to understand. See you in the next updated video. Until then, thank you.